50th anniversary of Atlantis. Why is that important? Write good songs. Don't worry, don't follow anybody's trend. Don't try to copy anybody. Write good music and it will last. Because when they came to me and said, do you want to do the 15th anniversary of Atlantis? I listened to it, I'm like, these are good songs. I stand behind this. That's why it's important to focus on the craft of songwriting, because good songwriting never goes out of style. So if you're young, don't worry about this, what everyone's doing. Don't follow anyone. Just throw a bridge in there. How about that? Give us a middle 8. Don't do the same thing for the whole song. Write a good song and it will last forever. And that's why I'm proud of Atlantis 15, because it's got some good songs on there.